Hello, this is Susanne from Douglas Elliman Real Estate with tips and tricks on how to perfect your home buying and home selling process. So today I'm going to talk about how you can become the shiny penny that every seller wants to pick to buy their house or apartment. So there's three very important things you have to take into consideration after you've fallen in love with a property, you make an offer on it. The first one is the offer has to be accompanied by a mortgage pre-approval. This mortgage pre-approval signals to the seller that a mortgage broker has looked at your financials and they do believe that you're financially capable of buying this house. It should be from a reputable bank that sellers recognize. It doesn't matter where the pre-approval comes from as far as you actually using that bank for the mortgage. You can still shop around, but make sure it's from a good bank. The second very important point is that you show the seller you have the money for the down payment already in the bank. So give them a bank statement, you can black out your account number, and it shows the proof of funds that you will not delay the closing because you first have to borrow the down payment. The third part would be think about what terms you would be willing to offer. This might be becoming more important during the process of the negotiations. Are you willing to waive a mortgage contingency? Would you be okay if the seller needed to stay in the property for a couple of weeks after the closing so they can close on what they're buying? Would you be willing to increase your down payment if necessary to make the seller feel more comfortable? All of these are very important points that will make you stand out and you will be the shiny penny. For more tips and tricks, check out my YouTube channel at Real Estate TV NYC. And if you would like for me to help you with your home buying and home selling process, just email me at Susanne, that's SUSANNE, @realestatetvnyc.com. Bye and good luck out there.